Welcome back. This is the last video in the series of restaurants in the Aeon Mall. Today we are going to eat at one of my favorite restaurants, a Korean noodle restaurant. In this restaurant, you can select how spicy you want your noodles, from 1 being very mild to 7 being very hot. Which one did I get? Let's see. Thank you for viewing. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time on Cambodia and Beyond.